my friends, how are you doing this morning? I'm Michelle the Introvert, and guess what day it is today? Today is July 1st, 2021, and as you can see from my shirt and this here, it is Canada Day, and I am starting my Canada Day celebration using my new Canada Day mug with some coffee in there. Yes, so I have some plans for today. I have different plans. It's going to be a nice day, a relaxing day, but a good day nonetheless. So come on along, my friends, and let's enjoy this Canada Day together. I'm looking at a cake mix right now. It is Duncan Hines, and it's a white cake mix. But I thought it might be nice to make a Canada Day cake using this here. I also have this here. This is Duncan Hines as well, and it's the icing. Now I bought these two things here on sale, and when they came on sale I thought, I know exactly what I'm going to use these for. Well, everyone, I just took the cake out of the oven, and it looks great. It smells really good too. And this is the one that I put the red food coloring in. So the contrast between the white and this reddish one looks really nice. I'm going to take this cake out of the pan very carefully here. Put it on the cooling rack. There we go. That came out quite easy actually. And I'm just going to flip it over. Just like that. Now it's this one's turn. Just going to loosen the edges here. Okay, very good. try this one as well. Just putting my hand there for support. There we go. That came out of the pan extremely easy, so I'm happy about that. Look at that. Very nice. Well, my friends, my cake here is completely cooled off. So I went into my cupboard and took out my Tupperware cake holder. And here's the cover for it. And as you know, I love Tupperware, so this is perfect. So it is time for me to put the icing or frosting on the cake. Look at the colors there. That's going to look really nice when that's cut later on. This is a vanilla frosting. If I can get this off. Oh, there we go. We'll get her. There. Okay. Look at that. That looks all right. That came out very easy. We'll get this frosting done. I'm happy with how my cake looks so far, but I'm not quite done yet. I will show you what I have to put on this cake. I have this to go on the top, and I have some of these beautiful red sprinkles to put all around the cake as a decoration. I think it'll look really nice once I'm done, and I'm really pleased. I am really pleased how this turned out. It was very, very easy to do. And I'm having a really good day. I hope you guys are too. I hope you guys are having a really nice Canada Day. This is turning out very nice. I've got these really nice sprinkles here. Just put it all around to add a bit of color. I was really happy that the Duncan Hines cake was on sale. Sometimes I like to buy the Betty Crocker cake mixes, and they're really, really good as well. On busy days, those cake mixes really are a big help, and they come in handy. Even more so when you can get them on sale. And it looks pretty good. I'm happy with how that looks. It's very festive. And this will be our dessert for after supper tonight. We are having a barbecue for supper. Gerald and Joshua will be cooking some food on the barbecue. I hope you guys will stick around so you can see what they're going to cook. And Joshua's very excited. He's having a good day. Joshua used his new Canada Day mug this morning. I'm going to try to put a little bit on the sides here. Can you guys see that at all? I put it on the sides. Just kind of have to aim carefully so it'll go on the sides okay. And Stacy's coming over for the barbecue tonight for Canada Day. It'll be nice to have her here so she can enjoy it with us. And these little plates here, these are for the cake. And these bigger plates here, these are for the barbecue, for supper. So it's exciting. Very exciting. Gerald just got home from work, and guess what he brought for me? Look at this, one of these. It's a good day to have Tim Hortons. And now I'm going to finish this cake. Just a little here and a little there, just to make it look fancy, make it look nice, make it look festive. Well, the cake is done, and I'll show you what it looks like. It's got a lot of sprinkles on it, a little here, a little there. But it looks really good, and it smells really good too. So that is our dessert for after the barbecue. Well, my friends, it's that time of the day again. It is 5 p.m., which means it's supper time, and Gerald and Joshua are out at the barbecue. So how about we go and take a look at what they're cooking tonight? I hear some sizzling sounds. And there's Joshua.
Yeah.
Hi, Joshua.
Hi.
What's for supper tonight, Josh?
Hot dogs and sausages.
Oh, very good. Those look very tasty.
Yeah.
And that'll make a nice Canada Day supper for everybody tonight.
It will.
Yeah. You're doing a good job helping your dad with the cooking. Very good. We're back inside. I wanted to show you guys what we have on the counter here. Come take a look. First of all, I wanted to show you these ketchup chips. Some countries don't have this type or these type of chips, but we have them here in Canada, and they're actually very, very popular. And this is what they look like in a bowl. And they're very good. A lot of people really, really like them. I have the napkins all set out. And there's the bag of chips there. And these are for supper. We've got some sausage buns, ketchup, mustard, honey mustard, and relish. And the hot dog buns are here. And the chips, of course, are in the bowl. Come over here and I'll show you what we have to drink tonight for Canada Day. We have Canada Dry Ginger Ale. Of course, you gotta have Canada Dry Ginger Ale on Canada Day. And those are the cups that I washed. Right there. There's 4. 1 for each of us. Gerald and Joshua just brought the food in. They did an excellent job cooking supper tonight. So here's what my supper looks like, everyone. I've got a hot dog, sausage, and a few of those ketchup chips. And of course, the ever famous Canada Dry Ginger Ale in my Canada Day cup. I just took the cake out of the fridge and it looks great. I'm going to take this part here off. There we go. Oop, looks like some of the icing's coming off with it too. So I'll just scrape that back onto the cake. There's quite a bit of icing there. So I'm just going to put that right back on the cake. for everybody. This plastic Canada Day flag here, I can wash that and use it again for next year. So it's very handy to have that. Okay, and our first piece of cake. I want you guys to be able to see the inside. That's what the inside of the cake looks like. You can see the layers quite nicely. And I have my piece of cake right there. Well, my friends, it's been a very fun day. It's been a very nice day, a thoughtful day, and I'm happy with how this cake has turned out, and I'm looking forward to trying it too. And I hope that you all had a really nice Canada Day, and if you like this vlog, please give me the YouTube thumbs up, or press that subscribe button. That would be great. In the meantime, I do have more vlogs to come, so stay tuned, and I'll talk to you all soon. Talk to you soon. Bye.